Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's a TGIF, folks. Let's make it a great one. Follow what you love, and it'll take you where you want to go. Natalie Goldberg. Yesterday's gone. Tomorrow's not here. What are you doing right now? Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials closed down 289, NASDAQ off 66, S&P's down 27, gold contract up $21.60, traded at $1,138 an ounce. Silver up 16 cents at $15.50 an ounce. Copper down 7 pennies at $2.37 a pound. Light sweet crude down $2 at $45.21 a barrel. Bonds. You had the 10-year up 21.6, 127.31. 30-year up a full 2.5 points at 155.18. Bottom line, those bonds, wide price spread, accelerated volume, they're going right back to up to those highs. King dollar past 718 ticks, 95.33. The euro down $1.40 at 112. That's 140 ticks. And the yen flat at 119.97. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. Now, let's take a look at the world of the S&Ps. What do you have? Okay, so if we start with the SPY, folks, monster volume out here. What we had out here inside the SPY, you did 208 million shares. You're down $3.30. You're trading from the 24th of August. The high of that is 197.47. The low is 182. Now, as I've said many times, the lows spikes on the 24th of August. There was a few trades there. Bottom line, the low of the 25th is definitely real. That low is 186.92. That's where we're going. You have gone up after the dead cat bounce off the 24th. Go all the way up. Yesterday, gave it up in spades. Today, you just broke this smaller downtrend. 186.92. That's where that SPY is going to make a run for. The expansion of volume we had here today, this can be a monster ABC down, by the way, also. The NQs, 3 Qs. What do you have? Down $1.47 today. You've done 42 million shares. Same setup there. That wants to run down to 98.01. Right now, we're trading out at 105.40. You can expect, Sunday night it's going to be a wild one. Now, gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold goes topside, has wide price spread, has the accelerated volume, all of the above. Gold right now is trading at 1138. Your swing point that is going after, which is a high volume swing, was established out there on the 24th of August. That's 1169.80. I expect you're going to get there. What gold had done, too, when we came off the lows in August 11th and 12th, the way gold broke topside, that puts gold on the agenda to get to 1234, which is the higher swing point from May 18th. First, of course, we have to get up to the 1169 area. I expect you're going to see both pretty quickly. We go over to the silver market. What you have the wide price spread, accelerated volume, also in silver. We did 44,000 contracts out here today. The swing point on silver, the first swing point is 1577. Next one, higher one, is up there at the $17.85 area. Bonds. What do we have with the bond market? You got to love this. The bond market is just absolutely wild. So we start with the 10-year. 10-year today goes up 20 ticks. You're at 127.30. We have 2 separate high-volume spike highs. As we go backward, the September 4th is the first one. That's 128.04. We did 1.2 million contracts there. Today we did 1 million contracts. The larger one is where we did take out on the 10-year. You took out the 30, the highs of April in the bonds. That spike is 129.10. Now, what I expect you're going to see is this. We're going to take out the 4th. We're going to get all the way up to the 24th, and we'll see what type of juice we have as we get up there. My take on this is that more than likely bonds are going to be in play to actually get sold after a 35-year bull market in bonds. You know, we'll see. And the volume is going to dictate that, and of course the price would too, but the volume is going to dictate it. And why? The reason why, folks, is that off the highs, 3 separate times we've come down with volume. And you've come right back inside with volume too, but as it gets up to the highs and test them, the volume dies. So that sets up a trading range number 1, which is really great because bonds are $1,000 a point, and that range is very large. We take a look at the 30-year. What do you have with the 30-year? 30-year right now, you're trading at 155.17. That little baby is going to make its run to 161.17. If we take a look at the continuous contract, what you have inside this continuous contract is this. The continuous contract, the highs in the continuous contract was in April 3rd, 166.27. Now, when we ran up and the 10-year took out the high, the 30-year did not. So what that means is this, is that the 30-year is going to give us more information how we come into that. And that's what's going to be the real cool thing, because your back can be against the wall, not only at that high that was generated on the 28th, but the high that was generated over there on May 1st. Why? Because that was the first time that we came down with juice inside of that market. King dollar. What do you have with King dollar? King dollar, folks, is toast. Get the cream cheese out, get the peanut butter and jelly out, get it all out. King dollar, what does it do? King dollar goes down into the 24th today. It rejects lower price, and it has lighter volume. We did 35,000 contracts. Yesterday, it went down with 48,000. What I expect you're going to see is that King dollar is going to try to get into 95.57, about 200 ticks up from here. It'll die on the vine once again. Why? 2 different reasons. The larger reason is that when King dollar was trying to get into highs, just going back to the September 3rd level, it couldn't even reach its swing point. The swing point on King dollar is 98.74. King dollar only could run into 96.92. Larger still is the amount of volume that we have from the 24th. When you look at the 24th, what we haven't got tested yet, and this is the key in this whole deal, what hasn't been tested, if I go back in the contract that was trading, is the high volume swing low that I believe was 145,000. Yeah, 143,000 contracts we did. That's going to get tested. That's the bottom line. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. And if you are in the metal market, folks, this is the last weekend that I'm special on my gold report. You get 20% off right in the front page of TFNN over the weekend. It's my 700th edition coming out this Tuesday morning. You stay right there, folks. We're coming right back. Dow Industrials finished down 289. NASDAQ off 66. S&P's down 26. We're going to be right back.